A hard inquiry stays on your credit report for up to 2 years, but it usually only impacts your credit score for a shorter period depending on your overall credit profile. By the end of this, you'll know when a hard inquiry can be removed, what actually counts as a mistake, and the exact steps to dispute it with the credit bureaus. Start with the key fact most people miss. You can't normally remove a hard inquiry just because it lowered your score. Legitimate inquiries stay because they show you applied for credit, like a loan, credit card, or financing. The only time removal works is when the inquiry is unauthorized or incorrect. That means you didn't apply for the account, or the lender pulled your credit without proper permission. If that happens, the process starts with pulling your credit report from the major bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Each report lists the companies that accessed your credit, along with the date and type of inquiry. Next, you file a dispute directly with the bureau, showing the incorrect inquiry. You identify the entry, mark it as unauthorized, and explain that you did not apply for credit with that company. The bureau then contacts the lender to verify the request. If the lender cannot confirm that you authorized the inquiry, it gets removed from your report. If they can verify it, it stays. Another situation where removal is possible is identity fraud. If someone opened accounts or applied for credit in your name, you'll need to report it as fraud and may be asked to file a fraud report or identity theft affidavit before the inquiry is removed. If the inquiry is legitimate, your only option is time. Hard inquiries naturally lose impact as they get older, and they stop affecting your score well before they disappear completely from your report. You should also avoid multiple credit applications in a short period. Even though one inquiry has a small impact, several close together can signal higher risk to lenders. The key things to remember are simple. Hard inquiries only get removed if they are incorrect or unauthorized. Disputes go through the credit bureaus, not the lender directly. And legitimate inquiries stay on your report until they age out naturally. Next time you see a hard inquiry you don't recognize, don't ignore it. Check all 3 credit reports and dispute it immediately if it wasn't authorized. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of credit and financial fixes.